Hello, friends. Uh, to start with that waterfall chart, I have loaded one data here. As you can see here, there are some dates are available here, and the categories are here, and the values are available. Here, I'm considering this initial value is the my ultimate contingency. I have this 1,50,000 in my account. And from this 1,50,000, these are the expenses R1, R2, R3. These are the expenses amount which are getting incurred in each month. And I need to find out what will be the ultimate balance at the end of April 2024. So as you can see that if I add this total expenses here, it will be 30 plus 20 plus 10. This is 60,000. And after 60,000 expense, the balance should be 90,000. So am I getting this value in the waterfall chart or not? That I need to see. So to do that, first of all, I'm taking a waterfall chart here. And as you can know, here in the category sections, I am drawing the category here. And in the y-axis, I'm just simply taking the value. But is it giving me the same thing? I don't think so, because let me sort the axis here. I'm sorting the sorted it as an ascending order and also sorting the category here. And if I add the data table here, data value here, levels here, so you can see it here. Also doing one more thing, display unit should be none. Let it make it none. Okay. See this, the values are not showing the correct picture, because in this chart it is showing a positive value, whereas this R1, R2, R3 both are getting expense. It should be negative trend. Okay. So to get this thing, I am just simply writing a simple thing over here. I will do the modification of the value. To do that, I'm just taking a new column here. Um, Net value equal to if category equal to, let's say, initial value, then 1 into value, else -1 into value. Okay. Now let's see. Now let's go to this. Let me change this net, take the net value instead of value. Now let's see this. This is giving me the correct picture here. So where the initial value is taking at the highest position, and from each month it is giving me the net expenses, and it is getting dropped. Okay. And this is the ultimate balance what I have in my hand at the end of each at the end of last expense. So that's it for today. See you in the other video.